Knight continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, by the night, when she lets fall her darkness, and by the radiant day, by him that created the male and the female, your endeavors have varied ends. For him that gives in charity and guards himself against evil and believes in goodness, we shall smooth the path of salvation. But for him that neither gives nor takes and disbelieves in goodness, we shall smooth the path of affliction. When he breathes his last, his riches will not avail him. It is for us to give guidance. Ours is the life to come. Ours the life of this world. I warn you then of the blazing fire, in which none shall burn, save the hardened sinner who denies the truth and gives no heed. But the good man who purifies himself by almsgiving shall keep away from it, and so shall he that does good works for the sake of the Most High only, seeking no recompense. Such men shall be content. Now, humanitarianism does stuff, right? But if you limit your deeds to humanitarianism, it's mostly lost what you've done, or what it could have been, right? But how good or bad we're going to be is definitely something that we're in charge of.